If you want to get a live wallpaper on Xiaomi 17, then in that case we can go to the Play Store and we can search for an app that allows us to access animated live or video wallpapers for our phone. So in this case we can tap on search, and you can usually type something like live wallpapers, video wallpapers, and stuff like that, and you can find a bunch of different apps that in theory should be able to provide you a library with different live wallpapers. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. It's called Zedge. I'm gonna show you based on this app how to get a live wallpaper, but of course feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. I encourage you to try them out in order to see which one you like the most. So let's open the app. The setup is pretty straightforward. You just have to tap on accept and continue over here. We're gonna tap on accept in here as well. We don't have to agree to receive notifications from the app. We can close the premium offer here in the upper right corner. And there we go. Now we're gonna switch to the video wallpapers, and in here you can scroll through this library of with different wallpapers that we have in here, and you can try to find your favorite one. And we can also go through categories in order to find something specific, like let's say we're gonna go for I don't know, something like rain, for example, and we should be able to try to find animated wallpapers in here. And once you find a wallpaper that you wish to use, so let's say for example I'm gonna try this one over here. Let's see if it's animated. It should be. If it's not, then we can of course try to search for something completely different. And you might see an ad in the meantime, but that is of course why these wallpapers are for free. So we should be able to skip this in a second. And come on. We should be able to skip it soon. All right, there we go. And there we go. We can keep, of course, searching for more wallpapers. Here we can switch to video wallpapers. Actually, I missed that. But yeah, let's say this is the wallpaper that I want to try out. There we go, it is actually animated, so we're gonna tap on this purple button that we have at the bottom of the screen, and you have two options. You can either watch an ad in order to get the wallpaper, or you can use credits. You get 10 credits once you install the app, so you can use them immediately for your first wallpaper, and you can get it for free, or you can just watch an ad. In my case, I'm gonna use my credits over here, and then we need to tap on set video wallpaper. We have a premium offer. If you do, then of course you want to close it, or you can just wait for this screen where we can tap on set wallpaper at the bottom of the screen, and then we need to choose home screen and lock screen, or you can of course choose one of the screens only. And there we go. Now if we go to the home screen, you might see that we have this animated wallpaper, but in case it is not animating, you can just go back to the app and you can try to set it up again. So I'm gonna go to my Zedge over here. In the bottom right corner, we're gonna select our wallpaper, and we're gonna use it one more time. And hopefully this time we can actually make it animated. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.